So for those of you that want to install MetaMax and how to also set it up, so this is the video for you. Okay, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn the bell notification. And first of all, you need to install MetaMax, and you can download MetaMax from your Play Store or your App Store, depending on the phone that you're making use of. If you're making use of iPhone, then you should get to download MetaMax from your App Store. Then if you're using Android, then you can download MetaMax from your Play Store, and this will help. After downloading the MetaMax application, then you'll be asked to create a password, and after that you'll be also asked to write down your secret recovery phrase. I think it's all up to 12. Then what you want to do is to get a pen or write it down on anywhere you feel that is going to be safe and very confidential for you, because without that with secret phrase, there's no way you can get access to your MetaMax account anymore. Okay, so that's why you need to keep it safer. And they would need you to also to confirm what you've written, and if you confirm it, then what will now happen is that you'll be directed to this page. Okay, after creating an account, you need to know on how to set up your MetaMax. So this tutorial is to help you so you can know how to set up your MetaMax for beginners. Okay, so what you want to do is that after you've been able to set up all the password, and also by confirming and writing down your secret phrase, keep that your secret phrase very safe, because whenever you get to want to log in on other phone, you want to log your MetaMax on other phone or any other device, you'll be needing those secret phrases. Without that secret phrases, it means that you can't get access to your MetaMax. And MetaMax is mostly used to buy coins, like to store coins for the most part, and it's very safe. So you guys can also use it to participate on ICO, initial coin offering. And aside from that, let me just show you guys on how to set it up. So if you want to add tokens, what you want to do is that you want to come to wallet, you come on import tokens. Before we continue, you will see this right here, enable it from settings, turn this on. Okay, so you can always get notified anytime someone send a new token to your wallet, so you can always see it around in your wallet. If not, you will not be able to see it. I forgot to tell you that initially, so let's continue. So you come here and you type Matic. Okay, if you type Matic, you will see Matic right here. Then after you type Matic, then you come on here and click on import. Then you see your Matic right here. Okay, this one is also BNB. Okay, we can remove BNB and try to add it again. So you can see it right here, BNB. Okay, if you don't see it, then you write Binance coin. Okay, Binance coin. It depends on what you want to add up. Okay, so if you don't get to see it, then you can get the country address of the token. Okay, then you come on here on the custom, paste the country address right here, then the coin will be added, then the coin information will be filled up, and you click on the import. And after that, the next thing that you want to do is to you need to set up Binance, BSC, and any other network that you want to be transacting on, because right now we are already on Ethereum. Okay, so which means that we are only going to be we are only allowed to make use of Ethereum, like to pay for gas fees. But if there are some projects that you want to participate on, like you want to buy in on, and there's no way you can use Ethereum to transact on BSC network, then what you're going to do is that you are going to be needing to add BSC network, so you can pay fees in BSC, because you can't pay Ethereum fees in BSC. So you need to make sure you also stay guard up. So what you want to do is that you come on your settings, So if you come on your settings right there, you come on the networks. Okay, so you can see that we have Ethereum as the main network at this point. Then what you want to do is to click on add network. So in this case, we are going to be getting to our browser. Come to your browser. Remember, what you want to do is that you write the name of the network that you want to transact with, you want to be transacting with, which is BSC. And you also need to come on the RPC URL, come on Google and type Binance Smart Chain RPC URL. You must say the RPC URL around here. Okay, so what you want to do is to just follow up. Okay, so let's come on here and search for it. It should be around here. You can see new RPC URL for Binance Smart Chain. Then you just copy that. So if you just copy that, then you come on here. Okay, if you come on here, then you want to, I'm so sorry guys, this may refresh. Okay, you're right there. You come on here and press that. Okay, then you come on here and we need to go find a chain ID. So you come on here and you could see that chain ID right here, which is 56. Okay, you copy that 56, which is very important. Make sure you don't make no mistake. Okay, and yeah, you copy that one, then you come on here and paste it. Then you come on the symbol. Okay, a symbol which is BNB here. Okay, BNB, that's the symbol. Any cryptocurrency has its own symbol, so you click on you write BNB. So and on the block explorer, we are also going to see around there the block explorer. This is the block explorer right here. They're asking you for the blockchain explorer address. So you come here and type that. Then what you want to do is to click on add. Okay, so in this case you can see that we have BSC already added right here. You can see it up here. Okay, let's come here so I can show you guys that we have it right here. Okay, you can see that we have BNB now. Okay, which means that we can now transact by doing anything that we want to do, by paying network fees on with BNB. Okay, so there won't be any need of us again transacting or paying network fees with Ethereum. So that's simply what it is. Then if you want to import tokens, you could come right here. Okay, if you want to import tokens, you just have to come right here, import tokens. And for you to get a token address, what you will need to do is just to come on your browser. Let's assume you want to add let's say want to add Anchor protocol token to your Metamax. Okay, you have to get on here. Okay, what we are looking for is that contra address. So you come here and you can see that I've copied it. Okay, so if you copy it, then you come on your Metamax, and if you come on your Metamax right here, you want to paste that contra address. Okay, then I think the token must be valid. Okay, in this case, this means that we can't add any other token that is not that in this case, what it means that we can only add tokens that are under BSC. Okay, which means that we can go on Kucoin and get some BSC tokens and add it. So any coin that is not a BSC token, you can barely add it. Okay, but we are going to still get into that. So you can come on here. Okay, you can come on here to go find a token that we could add. This will make it to be more easier for you. So let's come on here. Okay, let's get on a blockchain right here. Okay, so if you come on here, okay, you will see that this is what they call contra address. You need to copy that contra address and come on here. So if you come on here, then what you want to do is to relax a little bit. Okay, you need to just click on import, then you come on here and click on token address. So this will automatically generate further details by itself. As you can see right here, Floki money has been added automatically, but what you need to do is to click on import. So if you click on import, you see that we have Floki money right here. Now since we've the reason why the other one didn't work out was because since we have BSC here as the network we want to be using, you can only import tokens that are under BSC. So remember what I told you guys before. I told you guys you cannot use BSC network to pay to another network. Okay, you cannot use BNB to pay another network fee. That is why Terra we are not able to add Anchor protocol, because Anchor protocol is not on BSC. So for you not to make this video to be longer, I'm going to try to make another video on part 2 on how you can create an account on Metamax, where you can store other of your crypto depending on the blockchain that they are hosted on. Okay, so you can have different coins on there, but this will cause no stress because you only need to switch to different accounts on Metamax. This is very simple to do, and I'll try to have the video in no time, because this should be the part 2 of the video. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and turn the bell notification, and catch you on the next one.